Today we're gonna make some quick and easy meatballs. All you need is a bowl and an oven. Let's start off with a pound of beef. Put 1 cup of seasoned breadcrumbs. You're gonna put half a cup of Parmesan cheese, some salt, some pepper, 1 egg, half a yellow onion, finely diced, 2 cloves of garlic, chop up a fistful of parsley, and the secret ingredient is Kosmo barbecue sauce. Today, I'm gonna use the cherry habanero and just mix it all up. You might have to use your hands. It's definitely easier to mix it all up than using a spatula. Make sure your hands are clean, but if you want to add some extra seasoning, don't wash your hands. I'm just kidding. Take a baking sheet and spray on some avocado oil or any other type of oil you like to use. Some people like to weigh out every single meatball that they make. I think that takes too long. I just like to use a little measuring cup. I like just to place the meat in a measuring cup. I level it out, roll it, put it in the pan, and you're good to go. Place your meatballs in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Let them cook for about 20 to 25 minutes. So there you have it, some simple meatballs. The prep and the cook time took less than 30 minutes. Time to dig in. Kosmo barbecue sauce elevated these meatballs to the next level. If you enjoyed this recipe, please subscribe to my channel and check out these other great videos.